Welcome to A Better World. Our purpose, to show you how Stardent Computer and its customers are using visualization technology to improve life on Earth. Today, we're going to look at applications in the fields of medicine, energy use, and the environment. We begin at the Joint Center for Radiation Therapy at the Harvard Medical School, where brain tumor patients are undergoing a new form of treatment planning. With the Stardent system and AVS, scientists are able to create a three-dimensional rendering of a patient's head, pinpointing the exact location of the tumor. As a result, they are able to gauge the precise amount and trajectory of the radiation required to treat the tumor with no damage to surrounding tissue, such as the brainstem and eyes. By reducing the sometimes dangerous risks of conventional treatment, visualization technology is helping many brain tumor victims live to see a better world. Oil spills have caused vast damage to the environment. But now, visualization tools are being used to build models that will help reduce the impact of a future oil spill. Scientists at Greenhorn and O'Mara are combining three complex models: wind speed and direction, ice growth and movement, and a three-dimensional model of the ocean to predict the direction and speed of movement of an oil spill in Alaska's Beaufort Sea. This knowledge will help determine the most efficient cleanup methods should a spill occur. The scientists rely on a Stardent system with AVS to combine these complex models. Testing input data would be impossible without visualization. With AVS, the scientists can examine the model's output in real time and make modifications as they go. With Stardent's visualization tools, the Earth and man's effect on it can be better evaluated to help preserve our precious resources. In third world countries, the adenovirus is a major cause of enteric dysentery, a leading cause of death in children. But because the adenovirus is so large and complex, it does not lend itself to traditional methods of analysis. At the Wistar Institute in Philadelphia, researchers have turned to scientific visualization to model, for the first time ever, the molecular structure of the adenovirus. Stardent's AVS visualization software has speeded the implementation of the analysis necessary to reconstruct the image of the virus. Wistar researchers believe the insight they have gained by analyzing the virus suggests some new approaches to the design of antiviral drugs to treat and potentially eliminate altogether this deadly disease. Issues of fuel economy, noise abatement, and harmful emissions are all at the heart of research being done to improve the performance of jet engines. At the Department of Aeronautics and Astronautics at MIT, researchers are applying desktop visualization to the designing, testing, and analysis of jet engine turbines to maximize the efficiency of the airflow through the engine. Volumetric scientific visualization software developed at MIT runs on a Stardent system to provide a three-dimensional real-time model of the turning turbine blade. Greater fuel economy and a reduction in nitrous oxide emissions are among the benefits of this research. Treatment for patients with severe neurological problems is being improved by the addition of advanced computer technology to standard clinical practices. At the Loma Linda University Medical Center, a team of doctors is using a special data glove in conjunction with the Stardent Computer to accurately measure and record a patient's hand movement. Patients are run through a modified version of a standard neurological exam, while the computer registers movement as the patient performs a series of hand tests. Using AVS, this data is transformed into geometries and visualized, giving doctors an objective way to evaluate the patient's performance. Improvement can be quantified by comparing the data from successive testing over the course of therapy. Instead of remembering 3 months back and 1,000 patients ago, a doctor can compare numerically and visually a patient's progress. Today, visualization is being used to find solutions to many of the world's most challenging environmental, social, and medical problems. Stardent Computer is at the forefront of visualization technology, bringing scientists and researchers the power to visualize a better world.